just like me. Okay, there's the dam. Oh, there's a big rock. And there's the dam. Woo! That is one big circle.
$42.
Okay. Hi.
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 Generators on the side. These generators work on demand. The demand for water down south. And each one produces over 1 million watts of AC power as a byproduct. The light on the top means that generator is the...
Wow. Can you take a picture of this?
Yeah. Of what now?
Hey! Thank you. Look at me.
They gave it everything they had, and Caverns engineers tell us today they overbuilt the dam by 80%, but it has a larger resolution of 3,000. Up to 2,000 years, not 10 years 2,000. By looking straight up. That's how we get the heavy stuff in and out of the canyon. Now, as you expand the canyon, you may have wondered why the towers are placed at angles, and that's so the wires don't touch the canyon wall. It might interfere with the transmission of electricity they use. Tracing the wires down, you'll see that these connect to the silver box-like structures. Those are the transformers. They take that generated energy and step it up to 830,000 volts before it leaves the dam. That brings us to the bubbling and swirling in the water. Operation, maintenance, and administration offices. That's where you see the windows. The lower level with the huge garage. If you look at those tall towers on the face of the dam and drew an imaginary line from the base of one tower to the base of the other, that give you a pretty good idea of the normal lake level on the other side. And Lake Mead is normally exerting about 45,000 pounds of pressure per square foot on the face of the dam. And that's an awful lot of water and pressure behind that dam. It's a massive amount of concrete. In fact, so much concrete to build a two-lane highway from San...
Godzilla.
Yeah.
Godzilla's in there.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
Those are all the stupid people that just hold on now.
Huh?
Those are the people that sit on the wall. Like,
Damn it. Hoover down. That's tight. Yeah.
Hoover Dam. Look how little that truck was. Don't zoom in, you gotta get it far away so you know how small it looks.
We're looking over the edge. Oh, check it out, I just dropped my camera. Ah! All these power lines is fired.
Who was drunk?
They're crooked.
Who was drunk? Cooling towers, turn them down. Water. We're leaving the Hoover Dam and we're going white water rafting.
Not yet.
Tomorrow.
We're going to Grand Canyon Caverns.
Oh, Grand Canyon Caverns. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye. El Nino at work. Very full. Very, very full. And if that was a visitor center, everyone would be drowned. Very windy up here.
Now it does take about 100 years for that just grow the thickness of a tissue paper. Best part of my job, I do believe, it's 56 degrees down here. Year round. Trees don't have to worry about that. You look up, so you can see Cathedral Dome. Now when you look up there, you see two suns coming in from the side, and it's hanging right above there. I won't be able to see that third waterfall till we still the product where all that water flowed to and this place being raised up. Now it does go down about 40 feet before it gets to cracks and crevices. But it's because it's hollow inside. It's hollow like a straw. That was found down in those ancient waterways. Made more of that cyanide. If you were alive during the 60s, which I know some of you were, if you were alive, you would have gotten that message that they sent out, saying we did not have a threat of nuclear war. They're lying, right? About 40 years. Well, they realized the damage is done. Now, it took over 6 million years just to create. No, it took 40 years to destroy. How the calcium deposits they find in there? Now, if you look right out there where those red lights are, that's not a red light district. Now, if you look right up there, you'll see Mammoth Dome. Now, that's the largest ancient waterfall in here. Now, it's 142 feet to that top, 92 feet to that very shallow. But once you reach that top part of that natural entrance, it'll tell you a story of the Grand Canyon Castle. How the man discovered this place, his name was Walter Pack. He was a gambling man, but he was not a very good gambler. That's why he gets those... There's the Ace Gertie. She's a giant landslide. She dates back to Britain, right there in the wall of Colomar. Some go and he tried to clean her polishing off to make her more beautiful. Just made matters worse. She'd fallen from a little bit of pieces. Now she does begin to melt by 100-degree Fahrenheit weather. She melts into a thick gel. Now there's only one small bag and walk up right around there.
Where? Teepee for my bunghole.
Yeah, let's go into teepee.
Teepee. I must have teepee.
Yeah, there's a volcano. I'm standing in volcanic rocks.
Okay, I'm gonna pan up.
Alright. Check it out. Let's take a whole handful of these rocks
And
pay
get fined.
like 50 grand.
Get fined $1 million.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to be out here right now.
Yeah, we're like in a restricted area.
We're not really where everybody else is,
Oh, look at these rocks.
but we're
too.
cool that way.
This is not right. That is a whole lot of volcano rock. This way. The trees, but not a nothing. Here's some more. So, the glass. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, something side of that. Beautiful. More volcano. Stop. And we have the lava flow. And lava flow. And more trees. More trees. Go look inside, it's teeny tiny.
Okay,
This is what they came through.
I'm getting inside of the spaceship.
Yeah, this is a test capsule. Can you see it?
I can't see anything.
Ah.
I see glass.
Okay, well, that's the glass of the hole. Hello?
United States.
United States. So it belongs to us, not Russian or anything.
This used to be previously owned by Bonnie and Clyde,
Yeah.
which accounts for all of the machine gun holes in the side of the craft. Hello?
Hi.
What up, G?
Crater. You see it?
Yes.
That is one big rock.
Let me get a little closer look.
Uh-huh, no problem.
It's hard to feel where you really are in these things.
Okay, right to the edge.
Okay. Sona, this is the biggest fossilized remains of Tyrannosaurus rex dung in the country.
Yeah.
Taking a trip down to Guinea, South Africa, and this is the remains of part of the rainforest.
Yeah, deforestation.
Pretty sad. There probably was a cure for AIDS in there or something.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. That's where, this rock right here, that's where Butthead got stuck that one time. Check it out. No, check it out, dude. They told us we couldn't, like, take any rocks out of the forest because everyone else already did. And it reminded me of an old song or something. I want a rock! Rock! Doom, 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 doom. We found the fossilized ruins of Fred Flintstone's wheel of his car.
Yeah. Yabba dabba doo!
And Dino is somewhere on the other side. We found his bones. So, oh, we found parts of splinters of Bam Bam's stick, too.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Hi, pretty lizard. Can you move for me? Hello? You aren't moving. Hello? Far out, lizard. What's up? What's up? Okay, I'll leave you alone. I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. It's not very far, though.
Don't go so fast.
What?
It's super, super fast when you're recording.
It's super fast when I'm recording.
Yeah, it makes you dizzy when you're trying to watch it.
I'm gonna fall off because I'm dizzy. There's painted desert out there. I don't know how to record. I'm stupid. It's a painted desert. Yeah, I know, you were right. There's a lookout point. I'm gonna go over there.
This is Jasper Forest. Yay. Here is Lacey Point.
It's dark. This is Canyon de Chelly. We're gonna try to get some more pictures in here. It's really pretty. Hope you're getting the color that we're getting out here, because it's pretty neat. Little walkway down there, we don't have time. Okay, bye. Let's look over. A couple little houses down there somewhere. I can't see them now, but there they are. Pretty cool. Okay, now.
Hi, baby.
What's up?
Nothing. Check it out. Pretty nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Look down.
Are you afraid?
Yeah. I can go play golf down there.
Yeah, you could.
Looks like it's ready to tee off there. Okay, we're gonna go look for ruins. Bye. Okay, we're at our last stop at Canyon de Chelly. It's just getting dark. I noticed a little hut down there. I think Gilligan's in there.
Yeah.
But we're standing on the edge of a 600-foot cliff.
Sheer cliff.
Yeah. There's ruins over here. Kind of hard to see, but...
Can you zoom in on them?
Yeah, I did. That's the bottom ruins. And then there's ruins into the corner, or into the side of the mountain right there. That's where they lived.
Look at down there too.
How the heck they got
Look,
down there, I have no idea. Huh.
Look, see that hump right there? Look, there's a circle thing inside of it. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. I mean,
Man, Jennifer
found another one.
Jennifer discovered a new one. That's where they put the bad children. It's like a big hole.
I'm still trying to find it on the camera. It's harder to see than it is with your eyeball.
You may try? No? You probably got a good, huh?
There it is. Some kind of round structure in there, and it looks like maybe a couple other little structures in there.
Yeah,
in that little
inside
pit.
there too.
We're kind of scanning the rest of the mountain, see what else we can see, if there's anything in there. There's ruins all over the place, but you got to drive between spots, and we don't have enough time. Actually, I think I see some off in the distance there too, babe. Way out there. Look in those cliffs.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let me get my bearings with the camera here. Right inside those cliffs, looks like there's some buildings. I can't zoom any farther. I believe there's ruins down there. I'm going to look over the edge here. It's a little bit more than the last one. It would not feel good to fall down there. You get kind of vertigo looking at this camera. Ah! Just kidding. There's some, this thing looks blurry. Do them on 14 times, I think. Cool looking rocks down there. Just scan over this way.
Gotta be a dead body when there's so much with flies.
Okay, I'm gonna take Jen's picture. Bye.
Bye. Close encounters of third kind.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, go. Everybody Roswell. I don't know if it's gonna come out, but it's pretty cool. Goodbye. Okay, here's our rainbow again. Whoa, we're too close. There it is. Some cool little black streaks going on it. Alright.
I've heard of dueling banjos, but dueling rainbows? I don't know if you can see the top one. It's kind of hard to see through here, but there's definitely two of them, and they're big. We had to stop and check it out. We're on the side of the road. We probably shouldn't be here, but oh well. Bye.
Then eventually the lava starts to crawl onto the town, slowly and until it came down to where my house was situated, and in the end it was taken by the lava, burned down and put away. There was nothing left.
But the worst was yet to come. The lava stream began to creep remorselessly towards the harbor. And without their harbor, there would be no Haymarket.
I know, dude, it's bad.
If the lava got the harbor, everyone was sure that then the fight was over. Then it was lost altogether. And so the main fight was to fight for the harbor.
The idea came half a month after the eruption started that it might be possible to stop the lava flowing. They made some experiments with fire engines hosing the lava. We saw that it got cold very fast, and the lava stream looked for another direction to go in. No one had ever fought a volcano and won.
A massive system of pumps sprayed seawater continuously onto the lava for weeks. Then the impossible happened. No one was really sure why, but the lava stream turned. The harbor and the island's fishing industry were saved.
Vi har kort skarp over det.
We were so...
Oh, dude!
I can't describe it in words. It's not possible. It was so wonderful.
Turn the TV volume down.
No, that's alright.
No?
In the end, there was victory. We could move back. And there was a lot of happiness coming back.
Oh!
For Hjalmar and the 400 families who lost their homes, returning to the island was a happiness mixed with regret. Today, Fire Mountain
Okay, that's good.
is
Kilometers long.
in the middle of the night, Paul called a meeting. The decision was made to evacuate Hjalmar. By the end of the night, fishing boats had carried more than
There's fucking
5,000
rods in the way.
islanders to safety. Hjalmar was one of the 200.
I'm recording now. We're in the car wash. Alright. That's cool. Whoa. Check forward. Drive forward. What happened?
I don't know. Still going.
Yeah? Alright.
It's a pre-soak. Look, it's
Looks like
happening.
only 30 seconds left on this can.
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
It's going around the car. It comes to your side.
That was cool. Should I keep going?
Yeah, it's not done.
Hi, babe.
What's up?
You're in a car wash. Ah.
That was crazy, huh?
Okay. Should be coming up on my side.
Yes, here it comes.
Right. Sure. Come on. Ah! God, it's bad. Ah.
That
So,
was
in
second
Mexico.
pre-soak is what that was.
Alright.
Actually, this is second pre-soak.
Alright. There's our mouse.
Mouse? What do you mean?
Here's our dog. Woof! 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 He's a cool dog. He likes to go down. There. Hi, puppy. like roll our window down and stuff.
I don't think so.
Alright.
Clear coat rinse.
Clear coat polish.
Oh, it's all foamy again.
Yep. Comes on my side. Comes out. Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah. Smells like wax in here.
Smells like Windex. Your side.
This is clear coat protected.
Here it comes. Ah! Spot 3 rinse. Here it comes. A little fine mist.
This is Wawa. That's Baba Wawa.
Spot 3 rinsing.
Laser dry. Right forward.
Hurry up. Drive it now. Oh, we drive too fast because it won't dry out your car, will it?
Nah, I'm not worried about that. We're gonna be driving anyway.
Oh, did you get your eye?
Who cares? That was a car wash experience via camcorder. Okay, bye.